What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and if there's one place in your house that you have to be comfortable in, it needs to be your bedroom. You want to be able to take your shoes off, kick back and relax, and your bedroom is the best place to do that. So today I have 7 items that will make your bedroom even better. And of course, before I start, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button below, all right? On this channel, we talk about men's fashion, grooming, hair, and much more. So join the family to keep up with all of these trends, and you can follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa. I post all of my pictures there. I'll leave it linked in the description below. All right, the first thing that you need to upgrade in your room is get a silk pillowcase. Believe it or not, a silk pillowcase has so many benefits besides, of course, feeling super soft and cozy. That smooth surface doesn't tug on your skin and on your hair as much as any other pillowcase, which means you're not gonna be breaking your hair overnight. It's not gonna be as frizzy when you wake up, and there will be no tangles. If you're waking up with a crazy head of hair, and then if you're losing hair overnight, then definitely try a silk pillowcase. Next up, a memory foam topping. So when I first moved to LA, I bought a really cheap mattress because it was all I could afford. And let me tell you, the mattress was not good. I hated that thing, but I couldn't afford anything else. So I was browsing online and I came across memory foam mattress toppers, right? And I decided to buy one for $79. It was a lot of money for me at the time, so I was like, I hope it's good. It was the best decision ever. It completely changed the way my bed felt, and I didn't even have to get an expensive mattress. It's basically an additional layer of foam that you place over your mattress, and it gives you more support. It makes your bed cooler. I get pretty warm at night, so this was a huge game changer for me. Plus, if you're gonna have somebody over, you wanna make sure that your bed is comfortable for, you know, Netflix and chill. The next item on this list is something that has become more and more important, especially now, you know, with what we have going on in the world, a phone sanitizer. Think about it this way. You touch so many things throughout the day. Handrails, steering wheel, door handle, all things that are pretty dirty if you think about it. And then what do? You grab your phone. Your phone is probably one of the dirtiest things that you own just because we touch it all the time. We put it in our pockets, right? So it needs to be cleaned. And the best way to do that is to sanitize it in this box. This is a Pure Pod, and I've been using this thing every day to sanitize my phone, which I highly recommend you start doing. But not only that, the best thing about this is that you can sanitize anything that fits in the box. So I also sanitize my keys every single day. You can put your wallet in there, cash, credit cards, TV remote. It's a great device to have at home in general, but obviously even more important during these COVID times. And I keep it next to my bed because it actually has a fast wireless charger on top. So you can just place your phone right on top of it and it charges overnight. It's perfect. Now you can buy 1 or the 3-pack, which you get a really good deal if you get that 3-pack. It's a great birthday gift or a gift to your loved ones like your parents. So if you guys are interested in getting the Pure Pod, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can go get your own and start sanitizing your phone and making sure that you're not grabbing a phone full of germs every single morning. Next up, Google Home or Alexa or whatever other device that will listen to you while you're having private conversations. Look, jokes aside, having one of these at home, it just makes my life so much easier. I'm actually always asking Google random questions about the weather and how old is this celebrity for whatever reason. Play this music. It's just so helpful. It's like having a personal assistant at home. Before you go to bed, you can set alarms. You can do whatever you want. The technology is so good and it's actually really affordable nowadays. You can pretty much get a Google Home or Alexa for like $30. It is crazy. A bonus item that's not on this list would be a speaker, and the Google Home or Alexa obviously acts as a speaker, so that works really well for you. Next, something that I've been using every night before I go to sleep, tea tree spray for pillows. This is such a cool little trick and it actually works if you have a hard time falling asleep, if your nose is blocked at night. So what I do is I just spray this at night before I go to bed onto my pillow, or you can just place a few drops of tea tree oil inside your pillowcase before you go to bed. The oil is gonna help unblock your stuffy nose while you're sleeping and kill all those germs around your pillowcase. Plus the scent is very pleasing, it's very calming. So I spray it onto my pillow and when I lay down, just sniff my pillow, as weird as that sounds, but you know what? It smells incredible. Next on the list, if you watch my videos, then you care about fashion and style, so you need a full-length mirror right in your bedroom. Look, when you don't have a full-length mirror, you're always trying to just bring your legs up so you can see what's going on, to see if your outfit matches. That doesn't work. I remember when I didn't have a full-length mirror when I first moved into my last place before this one, and I would get on my bed with my shoes on that's gross, that's disgusting. And I would just lift my feet up and be like, I think this looks good, I can't really see. That was bad. Within a couple of weeks, I got myself a full-length mirror. Look, when you're trying to be stylish, when you know about fashion, then you definitely want to be able to see your outfit from top to bottom, from your hairstyle all the way down to your sneak. And full-length mirror nowadays, you can buy them on Amazon for so cheap. So make sure to go check them out and get one for your bedroom as well. Guys, also check out the Pure phone sanitizer. It is such a cool little device that I've been using on the daily now. And hit the subscribe button below to become part of our YouTube family. If you're not following me already on Instagram, then of course go follow. It's listed in the description below. It's at Alex Costa. I've been trying to post as much as possible, even though I'm kind of stuck at home like everyone else, but I'm trying to make it interesting for you guys. So go check it out at Alex Costa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.